Here we go. And up. Because I mean, in this kind of situation, a tenth of a second or two can make all the difference in the world. In this distance, you'll be able to shoot about as fast as you can. Movement can definitely throw you off, because if you're actually shooting, your body's moving, it's easier to miss. It's easier to throw your shot off.
Pero lo que quiere decir es que ustedes son suficientemente rápidos para tirar 6 tiros en un segundo.
So a lot of people in defensive shooting don't measure their shooting with a timer. They just kind of guess. I don't like to guess. I like to know exactly what I'm doing. I can measure it.
Él dice que muchas personas en lo que es tiro defensivo no miden los tiempos que ellos tienen. Y más bien lo que hacen es adivinar que tal vez duraron 1 segundo, 2 segundos, lo que sea. A él le gusta ser un poquito más preciso y saber sus tiempos, saber cuánto tiempo tiene entre un movimiento y otro.
Movement here, just draw 2, reload 2.
Simplemente estático, 2 tiros, cambio de cargador, 2 tiros.
All right, here we go. And up.
Ready?
Ready.
Go!
Far behind. No te lo paso, man.